Namaste to all. I am Dr. Nikita Jain, Assistant Professor, Department of Mathematics, Mewar University. Uh, in this video, we discuss about the topic integration. Yes, integration by substitution. In this video, we discuss about the some properties and some methods of integration. So first method is integration by substitution. If fx and gx are two functions such that integration of fx upon gx dx, then let gx is equal to, if we integrate this function, then first we let gx is equal to t, and then this function let, so differentiate of this function, so differentiate with respect to x, then we get g dash x dx is equal to dt, and put this value, this two value in this given equation. So gx is equal to t, so put gx is equal to t, and dt, so dt upon t is equal to log t plus c. Yes, example of substitution method is the find the value of sin x upon cos x dx. So find the value of integration sin x upon cos x dx. So in this question given that this integration sin x upon cos x dx. So first we let cos x is equal to t, because differentiation is in the numerator already present. So cos x is equal to t, and differentiate this function. So cos x is equal to minus sin x dx. If we differentiate cos x, then minus sin x dx is equal to t differentiate is dt. So putting these two value in this equation, so integration sin x dx is equal to dt. So here we write minus dt, dt upon t. Here we write dt upon t. So dt upon t is a log t, integration of 1 upon t is log t, so we write minus log t plus c. Here c is an arbitrary constant because integration is indefinite integral. And put the value of t, so here t is equal to cos x, so put t is equal to cos x. So answer will get minus log cos x plus c. Yes, another example of a substitution method is integration. Find the value of integration 2x upon e to the power x square dx. In this example, we know x square, differentiation of x square is 2x given, so we put x square is equal to t. So we put x square is equal to t and differentiate this. So 2x dx and t differentiate is dt. Put all these two value in this question. So x square is equal to t. So in denominator we write e to the power t, and 2x dx is equal to dt. So 2x dx is equal to dt. So putting this all this value, we get integration dt upon e to the power t. E to the power t, 1 upon e to the power t, also we write e to the power minus t dt. So integration of e to the power minus t is equal to minus e to the power minus t plus c, and put again the value of t is x square. So we write this equation is equal to minus e to the power minus x square plus c. Yes, next method is integration by parts. Integration by parts, if u and v are two function of variable x, then we integrate u dot v dx, then is equal to u constant integration v dx minus integration d by dx of u integration v dx whole dx plus c. Example of this method integration by parts is integration e to the power ax sin bx is equal to e to the power ax upon a square plus b square, a sin bx minus b cos bx plus c. Yes, in these questions, in this method integration by parts, we choose u and v by the word islet, by the word islet. I L A T and E. Islet means I means inverse function, I means inverse function. Inverse function means sine inverse x, cos inverse x, this function. L means logarithm function. Logarithm function means log x. A means algebraic function. Algebraic function means 1 plus x square, x cube plus 3, this is an algebraic function. T means trigonometric function. Trigonometric function means sin x, cos x, tan x, this is a trigonometric function. E means exponential function, means e to the power x and a to the power x sum. So I let, we choose u and v by the word I let. First, if two function is, for example, e to the power ax sin bx. In this integration, we choose first and second function, yeah, u dot v function by the word ILATE. So first exponential function. Exponential function is the last function and sin bx. So trigonometric and exponential function. So first come trigonometric function. So we choose u is trigonometric function. In this integration we choose sin bx is u and e to the power ax is v, because exponential function, the last islet in the word islet, last term is e, so we choose v is exponential function and trigonometric function is u. So if we choose and put this integration, and we get the final answer is e to the power ax upon a square plus b square, a sin bx minus b cos bx plus c. Another example of integration by parts is integration e to the power ax cos bx. In these questions, same trigonometric function and exponential function. So first come is trigonometric function, so we let u is a cos bx and v is a e to the power ax, and put all term in this formula, and we get the answer e to the power ax upon a square plus b square, a cos bx plus b sin bx plus c. Yes, example, another example integration by parts is evaluate this integration e to the power x integration x e to the power 6x dx. Evaluate this. So first we choose u and v. So in this question, x means algebraic function, e means exponential function, and in the word ILATE, a first and exponential last. So u is a x and v is a exponential function e to the power 6x, and u v value put in the formula of integration u dot v. So we put the formula u, that means x, integration v, that means e to the power x 6x dx, minus integration differentiation of u. So in this example u is x, so put the value of x. Next integration second function, that means v, e to the power 6x, so we write e to the power 6x dx, whole integration dx. And if we integrate this, so x value, integration of e to the power 6x is e to the power 6x divided by 6, so we write this, minus integration, first differentiation of x is 1 because dx cancel 1, and integration of e to the power 6x is e to the power 6x upon 6, so we write e to the power 6x upon 6 dx plus c. Again integration of this function, so we write 1 by 6 e to the power 6x as it is, right, and minus again integration of e to the power 6x is e to the power 6x divided by 6, so 1 by 36 e to the power 6x plus c is the final answer. Yes, next example of integration by parts is integration of a log x dx. We know differentiation of a log x is 1 by x, but integration of a log x is not directly find, and this apply the method of integration by parts and find the value of integration log x. Here first we let I is equal to integration log x. So if we use integration by parts, the only function is log x, and log x is only one function given, so we choose one is another function, because 1 multiply log x is log x, so 1 is another function. So here we choose u is equal to 1 and v is equal to log x, and put this value u and v by the formula of integration u dot v. So first function, that means u is constant, so v log x constant, integration 1 dx minus integration d by dx log x integration 1 dx का whole dx. So log x constant and integration of a 1 is x minus log x, differentiation of a log x is 1 by x, and integration of 1 is x, and x cancels, so only integration of dx is again x, so we write minus x plus c log x. Okay, x log x minus x plus c, x common the two term, in this two term we common the x term, so we get log x minus 1 plus c. So final answer is x log x minus 1 plus c. Yes, next, application of integration in business. So integration has a variety of practical applications in business and economics, including but not limited to. First point, profit maximization. Integration helps in calculating total profit by integrating marginal profit, derivative of profit over a given range. Cost analysis. Total cost is the accumulated cost over time or production and can be found by integrating the marginal cost function. Cx is equal to integration C dx dx. Revenue and total revenue. If a business has a demand function Px, where P is the price of a product depending on the quantity sold X, then the total revenue Rx is the integral of the demand function Rx is equal to integration Px dx. Um, Fourth point, consumer and producer surplus and microeconomics. Integration is used to calculate consumer and producer surplus, which represent the benefit to consumers and producers in market transactions. Economy of uncertainty, risk management. In finance, integration is used in the modeling of continuous cash flow, options pricing, Blake Scholes formula, and calculating expected values of random variable, which is crucial in risk management. Thanks.